Hey folks, Brian here. It's Tuesday morning on the 22nd of November. Just want to shoot this quick video. I'm about to pack up the Remark exhaust and head over to get it installed. So really excited about that, and hopefully get some video of the actual install from the folks at Flex Function over in Campbell. So really looking forward to today, and really excited to see how the exhaust is going to sound. So seeing the clips on YouTube, and today's the day we'll actually get some live audio for me to enjoy. So anyway, we'll talk to you in a bit. That's not gonna work. Not gonna fit in the box. All right, well, the box is not gonna fit, so I'm gonna have to take everything out and load the car. So here's an unboxing. All right, here we go. So here we are with all the pieces out of the box. Looks like it was packed pretty well with all the hardware. Cool, so it's time to load the car. All right, let's head on over. So, about to get on the freeway here. Just wanted to talk a little bit about why I went with Remark for the catback exhaust. You may have seen a couple of my previous videos where I talked about the initial impressions of the car, and kind of my build plan for the BRZ. And I was doing a lot of research trying to find different exhausts. Obviously there's a huge range of price points out there in the market for catbacks, but sort of my criteria were kind of a combination of reasonably priced, well built in terms of quality, and obviously ultimately the quality of the exhaust note. So looking at YouTube and watching a bunch of videos, FT Speed. I'm sure a lot of you guys follow FT Speed, but they basically put together what they call an exhaust Bible, where they cover a whole range of different exhausts that they've collected and are selling through the site. And with that, they've obviously produced a bunch of videos to highlight the sound quality. They actually include a dB meter. I'm not sure what method they use or what equipment, but it seems to I think give a pretty good reflection of the relative sound volume that is put out by the exhaust across the different exhausts that they've tested. So, you know, again, it's maybe not you know, exactly the way that the you know, the states do it in terms of if you get, you know, ref for a loud exhaust. But you know, at least it gives you a good sense of, you know, which exhaust is relatively louder than or quieter than others. So, you know, looking at the videos and you know, just listening to the quality, I really was interested in and excited about the Remark Elite Spec exhaust. Now, Remark, they have a number of different other exhausts. They have just an axle back. You know, some folks on the Reddit forum that I follow, they've already installed the axle back and have reported pretty good sound and results with that exhaust. They have another one that's a single exit, and obviously the Elite Spec. They have another one that's very similar. I think the only difference is the quad tips on the Sport Touring model. So after, you know, just listening and doing some research, I kind of landed on the Remark Elite Spec. Again, you know, my criteria for selecting the exhaust were based on you know, exhaust note, the quality, and the price. And so, you know, I started seriously following you know, prices online, and basically, I think a couple weeks ago, you know, the price, at least at FT Speed at the time that I was looking, was, you know, kind of around $850. And basically, they you know, just one day I was just looking at the site, and then they had dropped the price to I think $742. So it's, you know, more than $100 off their list price. And so, you know, I just had to pull the trigger at that point. You know, I was thinking maybe waiting till a Black Friday sale to see, you know, if prices would drop. But you know, when I saw that price, given that, you know, for the last few months that I've been, you know, watching the prices, they've been pretty much stayed at the $850 price point. So when I saw that price drop, I just basically, you know, put in my order, and you know, I was expecting it to come, you know, maybe in a couple of weeks, but to my surprise, I put the order in on Monday, and I actually got it on Wednesday. So it actually arrived on Wednesday. So really surprising how quickly it came. So anyway, so yeah, so then it's been sitting in my garage, and I booked an appointment with Flex Function Auto in Campbell. So that's where we're heading. So yeah, we'll see. I think it should take no more than an hour to install, and we'll hopefully catch some video of the install process. Or if not, then, you know, obviously we'll do the video taken after the install and kind of impressions on the way home. So with that, we'll see you in a bit. All right, well, the exhaust is installed. Sounds great. Looks great too.